If we are talking about Mauritius, the first thing that probably comes to mind is the underwater waterfall, and not much else. At least, that's what I thought, until we started doing a bit more research about the country. Then we realized it's actually a place full of amazing nature, dreamy beaches, and a super diverse culture. Plus, it's really safe and has incredible resorts if you're into that kind of vacation, but also tons of options if you're more into nature and adventure. We honestly think it's an amazing destination, especially for a honeymoon. We've been waiting to go for ages, and finally, in April 2024, we made it happen. We flew from Germany to Mauritius overnight, and having a night flight actually turned out pretty great, since we could rest on the plane and make the trip feel shorter. The only issue was that in Mauritius, having a car is essential, and we arrived way too early to pick up our rental that day. So here's what we did. Mauritius isn't a huge island, but driving from the very north to the very south takes over an hour, and most of the places we wanted to visit were either up north or down south. So we decided to split the trip, spend the first part in the north and the rest in the south. But since the northern area we were headed to was too far for a taxi ride, we decided to spend the first night in a beach hotel close to the airport. That way we could just take a taxi there, and the next morning we could pick up the car at the rental office once it opened. If you're planning a trip like this, changing hotels worked out really well for us. Plus, if you want to save a bit more or focus more on nature, you could stay a few days in a smaller hotel or Airbnb and then spend your few last nights at a resort. A couple of other things to know before going to Mauritius: if you're from an EU country, UK, US, Australia, Japan, Singapore, Hong Kong, or many other countries, you don't need a visa, and there are no mandatory vaccines either. For mobile internet, you can either get an eSIM or buy a SIM card at the airport, and the easiest way to get around is by car. For that, you'll probably need an international driver's license. If you'd like more help organizing your trip, we can help you out with our travel consultancy. All the info is in the description, so you can contact us and we'll tell you more about it. Anyway, back to that day, we took a taxi to our hotel, and since it was super early and our room wasn't ready yet, they let us hang out in the welcome lounge until they could get a temporary room ready for us to shower and rest a bit. So we got our room finally. It's much nicer than the one we got before, and we're gonna go to the beach now, although I'm very tired. as you can probably tell by my face. So we're gonna go to the beach and we're gonna take a kayak and go kayaking for a little while. We had a little problem with both our iPhones.
The problem is me. You can call me the problem.
But after 2 hours we fixed it. So now we're gonna go for dinner and celebrate that we still have phones. Oh, and that night, besides everything else we showed you, Alex and I got engaged. We are actually married already, since it's taking me forever to edit this video, but we are so happy to share it. The next day in Mauritius, we went for a beach walk, had breakfast, and then we went snorkeling. preparados.
I got in a cab when I first got here. Take me to the only place I know. Listen to the people that I found there. If you ever see her, let me know. How long, how long, how long did you wait for me? Yeah. How long, how long, how long did you really need? Standing in the hall 7 hours. Knew that I could make it if I ran. Then I saw you walking out the back door, hand in hand with another man. How long, how long, how long did you wait for me? How long, how long, how long did you really need to figure it out? To figure it out? To figure it out? Did you figure it out? To figure me
still had a few days left on the island, but we'll tell you more about that in the next vlog, where we'll show you everything we did in the south of Mauritius. Honestly, my favorite part of the trip, so hope to see you all in the next vlog. If you like this one, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and leave us a comment please. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!